It's the start of a new work week. I'll be showing you a typical week in my life as a senior data analyst. I've also been getting into camping more recently, so I'll show you my camping trip this weekend. In the morning, I'll be creating data visualization dashboards on Looker to show the business metrics of engagement with our therapy program. Here's an example of how a Looker dashboard would look like. It has metrics as well as graphs and charts to show the data. Pancakes for breakfast. Next, I had a meeting with a Business Insights coworker to work together to fix the visualization that was not showing up properly on the dashboard. I also have a Zoom chat with my coworker once in a while to just talk about life outside of work. For lunch, I have a Cubano sandwich from Porto's and a peach tart. I just finished last-minute changes on my dashboard, and I'll be spending the rest of the afternoon pulling data in Google BigQuery to see whether our patients are engaging with our programs well. As you may know, I do have a TikTok account by the same name, Data by Day, and tonight I'm filming a partnership video for a program for non-tech folks to break into tech. Are we meeting our sales goal? Let's negotiate that in our upcoming contract. Hello Tuesday. This morning I'm mapping a set of IDs from one table to another. This involves a lot of joins. Every Tuesday I have a weekly meeting with my manager and we discuss my current projects. We talked about the process of mapping IDs, which can take a while because it requires data cleaning and an understanding of how different tables come together. I also shared an update about my current project's progress. The rest of the afternoon I'll be working on mapping. This is an example of what it might look like. After that, I will be going to REI to buy more camping trip items. This example uses a left join to merge fields from the table B to table A, where our client name contains the word client in it, as denoted by the percentage signs, which is known as a wildcard. Off to REI and tried a new boba place. Happy Wednesday! Today I am working on one coding project and I have 2 meetings. I'll have a meeting with my manager and director to talk about my code as we have some low numbers and that's something that we need to handle. On Wednesdays, I sometimes join a mindfulness session.
Bring your attention to the sensations you experience and notice your breath. How is it? For the activities ahead, to those intentions.
I just had a meeting with my manager and director and we discussed how for my project the data has some issues. So this afternoon I'm going to spend some time looking into their suggestions and solving those data issues. Time to code in SQL. I'm really excited to go cycling with my friends later today. Just came back from Rev Cycle. I brought all my friends to cycling and got a free class. If you haven't tried it yet, you should definitely try it. It's very motivating. Okay, so I got some Amazon packages. I have a lot of camping stuff that I bought. The joy of opening Amazon packages. I received all of my camping gear, including a compact pillow. I also bought tevas online, so I can have water-resistant sandals for camping. And for dinner, a small barbecue. Today is work day. I did a lot of SQL work and it was still working on the data issue. So me and my manager have been corresponding on that and hopefully we can figure it out soon. This is another example of how we would run a query with the wildcard in the where statement. I'm going to pick up my tevas from Nordstrom. They are water resistant and I'm going to bring them camping with me. And here they are. Later on today, me and my friends are gonna go to 99 Ranch to get some groceries for our camping trip. Here we are preparing the curry pork cutlets. We tenderize the meat with a pot and cut some celery. Pork cutlet with curry. It was delicious. On Friday morning, I learned how to take care of indoor plants. We have summer Fridays, which means we get off at 1 p.m. So we started the 4-hour drive to Inyo National Park. We arrived at our campsite. Woo! I now have reservations about camping in the summer, as the temperature was in the high 90s. With the tent set up, we went to go buy some firewood for a bonfire. Time to take out my inflatable mattress. If you're ever going camping, you need to have a sleeping pad. It makes your sleep so much better. Don't just have a sleeping bag. Look at the beautiful sky. Our friend's car got stuck in the dirt.
No, like this map.
I think this one might need it though.
Okay. Alright, should we just lay out a bunch of rocks?
Hello. This is Kathy, Andrea, Alan, and Jeremy live from Inyo National Forest, where an automobile emergency has occurred.
Our other group is stuck in the dirt. Well, their car is stuck in the dirt. So now we're waiting for AAA to come to the rescue. Tired and hungry from trying to push the car out of the dirt, we had a hot pot for dinner and s'mores for dessert. Day 2 of our camping trip. It's very sunny, so I had to wake up and get out of the tent. And we're going to go rescue the second car. Alan made us delicious coffee. I'm here at the campsite alone because there wasn't room in the car to rescue the second car. I already ate a bagel and drank coffee for lunch. It was actually pretty comfortable to sleep in our tent. I had my sleeping pad and a sleeping blanket, but it was super hot, so we had to get outside and hopefully we get to enjoy some nature later. I'm hiding behind the tent because this is where I have shade. They got some tools and did some digging and were able to get the car out of the dirt. On our first hike of the day. I think I found a nice swimming spot. They rode in the dirt to tell me that they were at the creek, and that's where we had our lunch. Off to Mammoth Lakes for a real hike at Crystal Lakes Trail. A beautiful day for swimming at this peaceful lake. For dinner, we made aluminum pockets of food and elote. This is Convict Lake, and it's our last stop on Sunday.
I wish we had a lake growing up.
Whoa.
Why?
Can you skip it to the other side?
We all became master rock skippers. The end of a wonderful week.